What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, we have another detailed video in store for you. We're going to talk about the market and what we are to be expecting, some of the dips, some of the corrections that we have been experiencing. There have been a bearish momentum that we have been in the midst of. Not only that, we're going to talk again about one of our most favorite meme coins, which is Turbo Meme Coin. We're going to get into that coin, talk a little bit of detail about what's going on with the Turbo Meme Coin. But before we get into that, first, let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently today, Bitcoin is $56,450. Bitcoin dominance 53.9. The Ethereum dominance is at 17.5. The Fear and Greed index is beat down to the max. We are at 38. I think yesterday we even saw a Fear and Greed index at 31, maybe even 29, something like that. We understand we've been going through some great market volatility. We've been going through a flash crash. Not only have we been going through a flash crash, we've been going through a major correction all at the same time. So we've been getting double whammied up as of lately. Yesterday, we did see Bitcoin dip down to $53,000 range. A lot of folks started to panic. Folks was getting nervous because previous to that, Bitcoin was like 66,000, 65,000, 63. So when it dipped down to 58, folks started getting nervous. So can you imagine the fear that happened when they saw Bitcoin dip down to $53,000? These are some of the folks that don't understand the 4-year cycles. These are some of the folks that may not have done research and seen how the previous cycles have ran. But when Bitcoin dipped down to 53,000, that will give you a cause to start to panic a little bit. You know, you start to question what's going on. If you open up your portfolio, you start to see you're losing gains, you're losing profits. I looked at my portfolio yesterday. It was $20,000. Now I'm looking at it. My portfolio is $16,000. I done lost $4,000 in a matter of one day because yesterday a lot of the altcoins were down about 20%, 15% in just one day. So we went through a major correction, but this is all part of the cycle. We will be having 20% and 30% corrections all along the way as we navigate through the bull market before entering altcoin season. So currently we're just entering quarter three. We're about 75 days deep into the Bitcoin halving. So we're fairly early. We understand that typically the market tops out about 500 days after the Bitcoin halving. Currently we're only 75 days deep into the Bitcoin halving. So there's no need to really panic. There's no need to really frustrate yourself or get completely stressed out. Just continue to trust the process like we always preach. Whenever we see a dip, whenever we see a correction, we get excited. We want to flip the sentiment. We want to get happy and start the dollar cost average in and enjoy some of the dips, some of the declines. While a lot of folks are pouting, getting irritated about the declines, about the dips, we are to rejoice in it and celebrate in it and buy into it. As the market pumps out of the corrections, you'll be rewarded because your portfolio will be making extra gains because you were buying the dips, buying the lows, dollar cost averaging in, so forth and so on. So currently we have $56,000, $450. That's a great level today for Bitcoin to be at because yesterday we did see $53,000. And like I explained to the folks over there in the Patreon, we're going to stick to the script. We're going to continue to relax. Back in February, about February 27th, something like that, we seen Bitcoin at $57,000. 3 weeks later, Bitcoin was at $73,000, breaking all-time highs. So we understand that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is very aggressive when it starts to move upward and in the downward direction. So in just a matter of 2 and 3 weeks, this $53,000 that we saw yesterday, or this $56,000 that we're looking at today, in a matter of 2 and 3 weeks, we could be looking at $80,000, guys. So continue to keep your seatbelt on, continue to trust the process, continue to do your research because that is what's most important. But let's get into the coin of the day. The coin of the day is none other than Turbo Meme Coin. Turbo Meme Coin is one of the hottest coins around. It's one of the hottest cryptocurrency meme coins of this particular cycle. The community of this coin is very strong. It's growing by the day. We understand that currently Turbo meme coin is priced at 0.0032. So it's 2032. The market cap for Turbo meme coin is $205 million market cap. Currently today, we're down 13%, but that is a great level for us to be buying at. This have also been hit with the correction, been hit with the pullback. Turbo's probably down 30-40% in the past month. 0.003 is a great level because we're always looking to find the coins to where we can make the most exponential gains, and we like to diversify our portfolio as well. So if we're looking at Turbo Coin is one of the coins that everybody was so excited about. Turbo Coin, folks were talking about the partnerships, what exchanges will be listing Turbo Coin in the future. We did see it get approved by crypto.com. There's some rumors going around about Binance, COINBASE, what's going on, partnerships going on. So there was a lot of positivity floating around the Turbo meme coin. This was just a few weeks ago. So if you were believing and rooting for Turbo meme coin a few weeks ago, if you were rooting for it a few months ago when it almost hit 1 penny, now you can find Turbo meme coin at 0.003. You should keep that same energy, keep that same aggression and positivity that you had when it was about a penny. If you have the dollar cost average in right now at 0.003 and we say, okay, can Turbo Coin hit a 100x? Well, for it to hit a 100x, it will have to get to 30 cents. Can Turbo Coin hit 30 cents? Well, a few weeks ago, it really got close to 1 penny. It got rejected at the 0.009 mark, but when it hit that 1 penny mark, we were all saying that, you know what, this coin will easily hit 10 cents. So 10 cents is very close to 30 cents. If this coin hit 30 cents, that is a 100x. The market cap for this coin will be $20 billion if this coin was to hit a 100x at the top of the market. Like I mentioned earlier, we're only 75 days into the Bitcoin halving. We understand that the top of the market will be somewhere near the 500-day range, September 1st, 2025. So we still got a long time for Turbo Coin to hit 10 cents, for Turbo Coin to hit 20 cents and get to 30 cents. But you have to be patient. You got to trust the process, and you got to understand and read these doggone cycles to make sure you're not holding too long at the same time. But $20 billion market cap will be nothing come this bull market 2025 when we're seeing the all-time highs for several coins. We understand currently right now, Dogecoin is at $15 billion. So for Turbo Coin to hit $20 billion is not asking for much. If Dogecoin is at $15 billion today, right now, after doing a correction, while everything is beat down, it's at $15 billion market cap. We understand Dogecoin is going to easily do a 10x. Once Dogecoin do a 10x from today, you're talking about $1.5 trillion market cap. So for Dogecoin to be expected or predicted to hit $1.5 trillion market cap, how easily do you think Turbo can get to a measly $20 billion market cap? So you may want to do some research in Turbo Coin. Like I said, if you were excited about it and buying it at the top when it was almost a penny, if you were believing in the partnerships, rumors and talks that was going around a few weeks ago, then you want to get some skin in the game right now. You want to continue to do your research. Keep this play on your radar because we understand when turbos start to pump, you can see this coin up 40% in one day, 50% in one day. Some months ago, we ran Turbo up like 160% in one day. Even saw it get to 225% in one day. But by the time we clicked on our portfolio, we caught it when it was 160% up before we were able to take profit. So Turbo Coin, like I say, pay attention to the characteristics of your coins. Turbo Coin is that coin that can make exponential gains in a quick flash. Currently, right now, we're 0.003. Before you know it, this coin will be breaking that resistance level and getting to 1 penny. If it gets to 1 penny, you're talking about a 3 or 4x from where it's at right now. So the turbo coin, when it does pump, it pumps in a very fast and aggressive manner. So continue to watch this coin, continue to dollar cost average in on any of the other coins that you trust, know, and believe in, that you have conviction in, because you always want to buy these dips. So come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great community of like-minded folks who love to talk about cryptocurrency every day. And if you're trying to navigate in this market by yourself as a lone wolf, you'll get wrecked, you'll get stressed out, and you'll tap out. You want to be in a community where you can talk to some folks, where you can listen to some folks, listen to what they're thinking, how they're feeling, and what they're doing, and you can voice your opinion as well. So, like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement, coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.